Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I am going to show you how this TikTok compilation has made 1 million and was made in a few seconds. And I am going to show guys in this video how you could clearly do it, so make certain to look at this video till and hi there guys. Cobain's right here in this video I am going to reveal you guys the way to make 100 with TikTok without aiming motion pictures, so that is going to be step by step, educational, and I'm additionally going to show you the channels which can be doing the specific equal aspect in their making manner greater than 100,000 greenbacks, so make certain to look at this video until quit. And also, in case you do it to my YouTube channel guys, make certain to press that subscribe button because we add videos on a way to make money online, so you do not need to miss that out, so make sure to press that subscribe button so allows communicate about a huge TikTok. Why must we use this TikTok app to make some money? So first of all, there may be 1.5 billion month-to-month users now, not million, genuinely billion users, so there is a lot of customers nearly like YouTube, so there is plenty of human beings which can be interested by this kind of videos, so that is first motive. Second reason is there are short motion pictures, so viewers can definitely awareness greater on the video. This is additionally truly critical for the factor that we are going to do to make some cash. Every proper consumer spends 53 mins on the app, so they're going to look at many motion pictures that you're going to create, and also you could create content material without recording movies, so you do not need to record. If you draw back TikTok motion pictures, you can use other humans' motion pictures to create your own content. So first thing is what you want to do is you wanted to discover the famous TikTok movies. In case you do not have a TikTok app on your cell smartphone, you actually need to use it, and you need to head and look for the popular videos which are trending right now. Next aspect is you absolutely want to download the one's motion pictures, so I'm going to leap instantly on my cell smartphone and I'm going to show you I can download the video for your app. So first component that you want to do is you want to scroll and discover the famous TikTok motion pictures, so I sense absolutely determined that one, and I'm about to expose you guys how you could download this video, so that you need to click on in this percentage button proper right here, and you are going to see a few specific options. We are going to click on store video 1 so that you can clearly shop the video for your cellular telephone, and you're going to do the genuine identical issue over and once more. If you have downloaded a couple of videos, multiple popular movies from TikTok, you wanted to create compilation video. So what is compilation video? This is a couple of films blended in one, and when you combine in one, you're going to have a longer content that must be over 10 minutes, and whilst you're completed with growing compilation video, you want to go and upload it on YouTube. So while you add it on YouTube, you can virtually monetize those films. I'm about to reveal you guys some tips and tricks for this method. So first tip is make an extended video. You need to make 10-minute films, so of course you can get better watch time, and additionally you may place greater ads in your video. Second factor is make sure to credit the order of the movies, so you need to get copyright strike from them, so you do not want to reduce that option that asserts TikTok and also the who is the proprietor of your video, so that manner you are selling them, and that they must also in reality pay you guys for promotion. Starting is deal with the popular songs that are inside the video. That is the way that your content is going to get claimed. So while someone claims your content material or your video, you may simply lose all of the cash, so no longer certainly all of the cash, but you are now not going to get the revenue from the video, so the owner of the music, this is going to assert the video, he is going to get your money. So now not each person from TikTok is going to declare your video, not every person from the TikTok is going to copyright striker video, but if you truly use replica copyrighted popular songs, your video is going to get probable claimed, so that is a completely critical thing to attend to. Make certain not to use, as I stated, famous songs on your video, so how you could truly monetize those channels approximately to reveal you so that you can monetize it with AdSense and pay promotion from paid advertising. I imply human beings are going to pay you to consist of their compilation motion pictures on your video, so that you can sell them, so that is how you could get paid with AdSense and paid advertising to show you guys some of the examples of the channels which can be doing actual same issue, and I'm going to additionally provide an explanation for you men that those videos actually get monetized. Plenty of you men are going to assume which you can monetize those motion pictures, but I'm about to show men that those motion pictures are monetized. So first aspect is that if we cross and type in TikTok compilation, you may see this video proper here has 1 million perspectives in only 6 days. This video has 11 million views in just 2 months. So I'm approximately to expose you guys some of the famous channels which are definitely doing the precise equal factor you right that you are going to learn how to do so. This channel proper here, he has a number of the popular films extremely do not have a variety of a number of views, so you may see these ones are in all likelihood paid promotions, so human beings certainly pay them to put their motion pictures in the compilations. So that is one of the approaches to make a few money, and a number of those videos are truly monetized as I stated. So this channel has 355,000 subscribers, and he is getting from 800,000 perspectives per day to 1.2 million perspectives per day. So they are probable getting 3.00 in step with 1,000 perspectives. So which means in this day this guy made $3,600 in just at some point. So that is how you can easily make some content without any efforts, without growing your own movies. This channel right here, you may see he has imposed in 9 months, and he has a quite popular, quite famous TikTok films. You could see this video has 10 million views in just 9 months, and he has handiest 15 motion pictures, as you can see. So this channel is getting from 1 factor from 988,000 perspectives per day to at least 1.2. Assume 5 million views in only sooner or later. So if we do the calculation, $3 in line with 1,000 perspectives times 1.5, which means that this channel in only 1 day has made $4,500 from those films that he truly don't very own, and he would not published any videos in ultimate 9 months. So he's making some of the cash passive income from the videos that he actually created 9 months in the past. So those are a number of the maximum famous films. You may see this channel on just one video 333,000 perspectives, 333 million views. So if we calculate some of the money that he has made, $3 in step with 1,000 views, he has made almost $1 million just from one video. And as I've shown you guys, he changed into the proof that those movies simply monetized. So here you could see this video proper. Here's a monetized, they have got a few ads, and they're making some cash from this video. And that is also some of the opposite popular compilation video that certainly makes some cash genuine equal manner that I am about to show you guys. So that is how you could make some money from this kind of films, the way to make cash with TikTok. And I think this is something that almost all of us can do it. You simply need to position some time and effort in on this technique and put a whole lot of videos in your YouTube channel, and you can make plenty of money, men. So thank you, men, for looking. In case you need to learn the way you can make cash on YouTube with none motion pictures, make certain to click the primary hyperlink inside the description. This spot costs best $1, so that you do not have whatever to lose in case you need your $1 lower back in 30 days. You are going to get it, so make sure to test that also out. A good way to be the first link in the description. Thanks guys for watching, see you soon, and bye.